In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can check for available storage on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down, then tap on device care. After that, tap on storage. Now at the top here, it will show you how much is being used and how much is available left. So if you go back here, you can see it shows here available storage is 166.1 gigabyte. And I have used up 89.9 gigabyte out of 256 gigabyte. So once you go in here, it will give you a breakdown of what's using up your storage space. Now the largest one on my device is the videos. It is using up 10.48 gigabyte. Next are pictures and images, and then audio files, and then documents, and so on. Now if you go down here, apps also take up 56.16 gigabyte. If you tap on that, it will further give you a breakdown of a list of all the apps that is installed on your phone, and then it will show the one with the highest usage down to the list. You can also tap on this button right here to sort by name, size, and last use, and you can also filter out what you want to display in the list. And that's it. So that is how you can check for available storage on your device. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.